Which filament dryer is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to get the answer. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 options that can really improve your 3D printing experience.
Product number 1, Creality Filament Dryer Box Pro. Let's kick things off with the Creality 2026 New Upgrade Filament Dryer Box Pro. Priced at $39.99, it caught my eye with its promise of efficient drying thanks to a built-in fan and precise heating. If you want to avoid failed prints caused by moisture, this is worth a serious look. This dryer heats up to 65 degrees Celsius in just 15 minutes, which means you can get your filament ready without a long wait. The even heat distribution helps tackle those annoying problems like clogs and pore adhesion that come from using damp filament. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's clear many people are turning to this for better print quality. Now, I did find some users mentioning that the display could be a bit hard to read in bright light, but here's the thing, as long as you keep it in a shaded spot, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist looking to improve your prints without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need a dryer that can hold multiple spools simultaneously. Alright, if the limited capacity on the Creality bothered you, the next one is a much larger option that can handle more at once.
Product number 2, Sunlu Filament Dryer S2. The Sunlu Official Filament Dryer S2, priced at $44.99. What caught my attention here is the 360-degree heating system that promises to dry filament quickly and evenly. If you're tired of stringing and pore adhesion, this one deserves your attention. The S2 not only heats up to 70 degrees Celsius, but does so with a dual heating sheet and fan design that increases drying speed by 30%. This means your filament is less likely to misbehave during prints. Plus, the large LCD touchscreen makes it easy to monitor temperature, time, and humidity. However, some users have pointed out that the noise level can be a bit higher than expected. But honestly, if you're in a dedicated workspace, this shouldn't be a huge issue. This is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly option with advanced features. Skip this one if you're looking for a quieter model. Now, if you want something that can dry multiple spools at once, the next product has got you covered.
Product number 3, Sunlu Filament Dryer S2 Updated. Let's look at another version of the Sunlu Filament Dryer S2, available for $38.24. This model also boasts a built-in circulation fan and can dry filament even while you're printing. If you're in a humid location, this could be a lifesaver. This dryer can reach temperatures of 70 degrees Celsius and allows for customizable drying times up to 99 hours. The adjustable settings means you can tailor it to different filament types. It's designed to revive damp filaments, so you won't have to toss out old spools that might still be good. On the downside, some users reported that it can be a bit bulky and take up more space than expected. But if you have the room, the benefits definitely outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you have a lot of filament to keep dry and want to avoid waste. Skip this one if you're limited on space. Now, if you need something even more powerful, the next option might just blow you away.
Product number 4, the Sunlu Official 3D Printer Filament Dryer S4. Priced at $116.99. This one can dry up to 4 spools at once, which is impressive. If you're serious about 3D printing, this could be a game changer for you. With 3 circulation fans and a powerful 350-watt heater, this dryer ensures consistent temperature throughout, which is key for achieving high-quality prints. You can adjust the temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius and set a timer up to 99 hours. This feature is particularly useful during long print jobs. However, I did find that some users felt it was a bit overkill for casual printing needs. But if you're running multiple printers or doing high-volume work, this investment makes sense. This is perfect for you if you operate several printers and need consistent results. Skip this one if you're just getting started and don't need that much capacity. Lastly, if you're looking for something that integrates with existing systems, you'll want to hear about the next product.
Product number 5, Sunlu AMS Heater. We have the Sunlu AMS Heater, priced at $119.99. This product is specifically designed for use with the Bamboo Lab AMS Gen 1, allowing you to print and dry simultaneously. If you're using that system, this could really streamline your workflow.
The AMS heater heats up to 70 degrees Celsius in just 20 minutes and has a unique airflow design to prevent overheating of the feeding motor. This means you are less likely to encounter issues while printing with damp filament. However, it's worth noting that this product doesn't come with the AMS system itself. Some buyers expected it to include everything, which could lead to confusion. But if you already own the AMS, this is a solid upgrade. This is perfect for you if you're already invested in the Bamboo Lab system. Skip this one if you're not using that setup and are looking for a standalone option.
So there you have it, the top 5 filament dryers to consider for your 3D printing needs. Whether you're looking for something compact like the Creality or a multi-spool option like the Sunlu S2, there's something here for everyone. Make sure to choose based on your specific needs, and happy printing!